Ricardo program today again, live and direct. As I said before, I'm going to give you my recipe for my Jamaican Independent Day ackee and saltfish. This is a special recipe. At the moment, I'm going to use about 300 grams of saltfish, and the ackees are 540 grams of ackee. But I'm not going to use all. I'm going to use half of both of them today. So first of all, I got my pot. I have the pepper inside this frying pan. Just for 2 seconds. I don't want to fry it too long because I don't want it to be spicy. I just want it to be mild when you're eating it. So first of all, I'm just going to tip a little bit of my saltfish in the frying pan like this. I just want a little flavor. Everyone do their stuff different. Then what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to pop a little bit of my seasoning inside of the frying pan. Not too much, just a little bit of it inside the frying pan. As you can see what I'm talking about. You can see right here, I got the onion, some mixed pepper, spring onion, and white onion, and a little bit of garlic inside of it also. I'm just going to put a little bit more. Remember, I'm not going to use too much. I'm just using 1 onion, 1 tomato, and half a mixed pepper each, 3 pepper, but it's just half of them I'm being using at the moment. I'm using a wooden spoon because it is more easier to angle it inside the pot. So you can smell that beautiful scent. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put on a little bit more heat on the stove. So this is the Jamaican ackee and saltfish. In Jamaica today we are so celebrating Jamaica Independent Day, and we are cooking up some lovely Jamaican ackee and saltfish. I'm going to put a little bit more of my saltfish inside of it. You can smell that beautiful scent from the saltfish. Really nice and beautiful scent from the saltfish. You can put the camera right inside of it. Really nice. You can see. Beautiful. So guys, remember I tell you, I use this 300 grams of saltfish, and I'm just going to use half of it. It is 540 grams of ackee. I'm going to use half of it. I'm not going to use all of everything today in my recipe. But I'm just showing you what is going on, how you can cook your Jamaican dish. And with the ackee and saltfish, you can have it with Jamaican dumpling. It's that the Jamaican dumpling is cornmeal dumpling. Really nice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some pepper, a little bit of coarse green pepper, just to give it a little bit of color, not too much. Because remember, before I used some Jamaican pepper inside of it, so I don't want it to be spicy too much. So you can see, really nice and beautiful Jamaican ackee and saltfish from Chef Ricardo. The reason why, what I'm going to do, I say it is 540 grams of ackee. I didn't say I want to use half, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use all of it today. So I'm going to put it inside of the pot now. Really nice and beautiful. Really nice and beautiful ackee and saltfish from Chef Ricardo today. So guys, you have to be careful when you're going to mix up the ackee, because you will be breaking up and you don't want it to be fine too much. So you take it one little time and spin it around inside the pot. Or you can do a thing like this, because you don't want it to be really mash up too much. So as you can see, that looking beautiful, looking really nice and wonderful Jamaican independent ackee and saltfish, because Jamaican ackee and saltfish is a true Jamaican tradition, and today we are supporting the Jamaican ackee and saltfish. And I want to say the ackee and saltfish is way back when, from in the 16th and up to till today, we're still using ackee and saltfish in Jamaica, because it's our Jamaican national dish. It's the best one you can see. So guys, what you're gonna do, remember, 1 onion, 1 white onion, 1 spring onion, and you can use some mixed pepper inside of it. Without, you know, a little piece of pepper and some ackee and some saltfish. Very easy, and a little bit of olive, a little bit of oil. And you need to do, remember guys, you need to cook off your saltfish before you use it, because it's already salt. I'm not going to cook this anymore. So roughly everything takes about 15 minutes to do everything. Because I'm already prepared my onion, my peppers and everything already, so all I need to do is just put it inside the frying pan. Really nice ackee and saltfish from Chef Ricardo today recipe. Remember Chef Ricardo website, chefricardo.co.uk. I'm going to show you, or you can share this with some Jamaican dumpling and ackee and saltfish from Chef Ricardo recipe today. See you in my next video, which I'm going to show you going to make. It's a real Jamaican ackee and saltfish with the dumpling. As you can see, the dumpling looking really nice and beautiful from Chef Ricardo recipe today. This recipe is going to be live on YouTube in the next 24 hours. Guys, you can see that it looking really nice and beautiful from Chef Ricardo Campbell dumpling and ackee and saltfish today. Really nice and beautiful one from Chef Ricardo. Guys, this recipe is available on the internet free, of course, on Chef Ricardo True Tradition Caribbean Food today. Jamaica Independent Day 1951. We love it and we're supporting it and we're celebrating it by cooking some ackee and saltfish and dumpling today from Chef Ricardo recipe. Look after yourself. See you in my next video.